All right, traders, I want to make $300 this morning. I want to make it fast. I want to use very simple Sonic, maybe the trade scalper and Atlas line just to focus. Remember that trading is risky. Let's not trade with funds we cannot afford to lose. I see only long trades on the Sonic. If you like these videos, subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. And because I only see long trades, this gives me the perfect opportunity to take a long position as long as I follow the rules as we teach them. I'm going to use the Sonic system, which you see on the chart. I'm going to add the trade scalper, maybe the Atlas line, just to make sure that there's nothing conflicting. And all right, all signals are long. Fantastic. This is really a good opportunity for me to take a long trade. My goal is $300, and I want to do it within a few minutes, maybe 3 minutes, 2 minutes. I think that's more than enough time under this current volatility. All the signals are long, as you can see. Nothing is short. So as a trader, we don't want to fight the trend. I do have a video I did recently, a couple days ago, that focuses on range-bound markets. Take a look at that video. I'll put a link in the description so you can learn a little bit about how to manage when it's choppy conditions. But for right now, we don't have that. We have everything going to the long side. And remember, since the market is leading up and wants to test the previous highs, that's even a bigger opportunity for me to go long because I know where the market is trying to go. Now, it doesn't matter if you have the autopilot, the Sonic, the Atlas line, the at the open, the roadmap, the blueprint, the trade scalper. Everything's included with accelerated mentorship monthly or lifetime. So add the software to the chart. I'm only adding the Sonic, the trade scalper, maybe the Atlas line to see if anything's conflicting, and it's not. Great opportunity for me to go long, as you can tell.
Filled.
All right, I am long. My goal is $300. Simple, clean, follow the rules. The target is there. You can see the target. I'm using micros, micro contracts. I'm using a 1-minute chart. This is a live trade, recorded live. And I also want to make sure that I'm not in this trade for an extended period of time. Really what that means is maybe 5 minutes at the most. Now, I always say this, where can you make a couple $100 within a few minutes on any type of job? Really nowhere. Unlike trading, you can lose money, but you can also make very fast money when you trade. You just have to be very careful. I have the stop there to protect me in case it all goes wrong and it goes against me. Don't move those stops. The trend is long, and more importantly, every order that you see there, trade scalper, Sonic, it's all higher than the previous long signal generated. That is a clue. That's a main clue that I use to tell me that we have a strong trend. Now, if this was the 10th or 12th trade long, that's when I say, hold on a second. We've been seeing all these long signals. I don't want to continue to go long after it's been 12 or however many signals. It's only been about 5 or 6 signals so far. Here's another signal to go long. This is a Sonic signal now to go long. So we have everything in our favor. If you're a trader and you don't have the Sonic or the trade scalper, you're definitely missing out. Where you combine these methods, I haven't seen the Atlas line yet, but if the Atlas line is also long, that's another opportunity to go long. So I'm going to hold on. I'm going to try to make my $300. Bear with me just a moment because I don't want this to go against me, or else this will be a break even or a very small loss. And as you can see, it's going in my favor almost immediately. That's a really good sign as well. Come on, let's hit that target.
Target
Done.
filled.
All right, I am out of the trade before 10 o'clock New York time. $300 banked. And now I'm going to take a little bit of a break unless there's another signal, and we're going to revisit the market in a few minutes. Oh, Atlas line long. All right, guys. If you have any questions, visit daytradetowin.com. Get a free member account if you don't already have one, and sign up for mentorship. Visit daytradetowin.com and get started with price action trading with our award-winning software for NinjaTrader and TradingView. Get a free member account. We also include the Sonic, Roadmap, Autopilot, Trade Scalper, and Atlas line with accelerated mentorship, now available in monthly and lifetime access. Visit Day Trade to Win, and I'll see everyone in class.